Art Friends. Today we are going to draw a spring duckling.
Yeah, dress up as a frog. We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our little duckling's beak. We're going to draw a smile line right in the middle of our paper. And then we're going to draw the top of the bill, and we're going to draw it coming up and then down. And then right in the middle, we can also draw the mouth going up and down to match. There's our little duck bill. Now we're going to draw the eyes, and we can draw a circle this size and a matching circle over here. Then let's draw the highlights, a smaller circle in the top left to make the eyes shiny. We're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now let's draw our little duck's head. We're going to start over here, and we'll draw the chin coming down and the cheeks coming back up. Then right here, we're going to draw the hoodie. We're going to draw it coming down right under the chin. And then we're going to come out next to the cheek. And then we're going to connect to the head. We can draw that same part of the hoodie coming out over here too and connecting up. But then we're going to continue this going over the top of our little duck's head and down. Now let's draw our little frog eyes on the hoodie for our duck sweatshirt. We're going to draw another eye right here and another eye over here. Then let's do the same thing and make the eyes shiny by adding a little smaller circle inside and then coloring in the big circle and then match over here for the right. Next, around each eye, we're going to draw a half circle or the eyebrows for each eye. You know how frogs' eyes stick out. And then you can also bring them really close to the bottom of the eye. So this one could even come further in. Yeah. Then we're going to start here. And we're going to draw the hoodie coming down really close, and then we're going to continue underneath, and then we'll stop there. And then let's do the same thing on the side. Try to match. We'll come out, and then in, and close to the chin. And then in between the eyes, we'll imagine the hoodie going through and connecting over to the other eye. Then we can draw the little drawstrings for our hoodie. I'm going to draw a really tall, skinny letter U, and another one over here for the other drawstring. Now let's draw this rest of the sweatshirt for a duckling. We're going to start here, and we can draw a curve, and we'll start over here in the same place, and a curve to match. And then let's curve around at the bottom to connect those two together. We can draw the bottom of the sweatshirt by drawing a little rectangle or a long, skinny rectangle underneath. Next, let's draw the sleeves coming down and then back in and match over here too. And then we can also, just like we did for the waist, draw a skinny rectangle for the sleeves. And then let's draw the wing for a duckling coming in out of the sleeve and into the body. Now we need to draw our little duck's feet. Let's draw a diagonal line here, and then we'll draw a straight line down. We could also just draw 2 straight lines here first and then draw a diagonal line out for each side. Yeah, and then right here we can draw a little bumpy line connecting. Whoa, this foot on the right is kind of wide. Oh, let's add a little frog mouth up here at the top. We did it. We finished drawing our spring duckling dressed as a frog, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video and color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little ducks dressed up as frogs, and this is my new favorite lesson. I especially love your little duck face.
Oh, thanks. I hope our friends will color their drawings too.
Yeah, you can match our coloring, or you can change the colors any way you want. You could also add a background, maybe a fun spring background with flowers and some butterflies.
We hope you had fun drawing a spring duckling.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.